What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you say this Gambling.Events? Maybe, a poker tournament, or maybe an underground casino, or maybe a bingo night. Anything and everything is possible. This is what this domain name makes it more interesting. So now we are going to dive deep into it. We're going to see what are the possibilities and what are the things that we can do with this. So first of all, this is actually very specific kind of domain name. Okay, so this is what makes this even better, because there is no fluff. It is straight up gambling and events. Now imagine a company, Gambling.Events, on their website launching the biggest poker tournament worldwide. That is going to work here because this is Gambling.Events. Now if you see the price, it says 65.99. It is totally worth. I kind of like these types of domain names, but let's just move more forward and let's just talk about its marketing power. Now picture this, okay? An ad pops up and it says find the best casino parties at Gambling.Events. This is straight up very catchy. It is gonna turn heads. It has that premium brandable feel that sticks in everyone's mind. So for event organizers, tournaments or hosts or casino brands, this is a jackpot. Straight up jackpot, I would say. Now, as great as Gambling.Events is for niche branding. Okay, now let's talk about its ROI and long-term value. There might be some people who would say that there can be challenges with a .event domain extension. That is true. If you own a broader gambling business like online casino or a sports betting website, you might want something more versatile. I mean, for example, let's say bettingfest.com. With that, you can do a lot of things. So this is where the flexibility comes into play. But if you are specifically, exclusively focused on gambling related events, then this domain name Gambling.Events makes perfect sense for you. But if you're looking for an investment or something with a broader appeal, then you know where to go. You can just go for a .com domain name because that's versatile. This is the reason I emphasize more on these types of domain extensions, because they do what they say, okay? But with a .com, you get more versatile kind of a vibe. So what do you think about this now, Gambling.Events? Do you really think this is worth for you or not? But this is available to register and it is totally free. And even I have another domain name, that is gamble.credit. Why I registered this? I could have gotten gamblecredit.com, but the reason I took gamble.credit was simply because the people who do gamble, they need credits, and with that domain name, maybe a platform can be created where anyone who gambles can easily get credits. So this makes very easy access to everyone, okay? And people know they are not just going to a random website and doing anything. So what do you think about this domain name Gambling.Events? This is a high roller move or just a wild card? You gotta drop your thoughts in the comment section. And if you are sitting around and wondering what domain name is actually valuable, or if you're trying to find a perfect name for your business, I can definitely help. I offer domain consultations to help you pick the right domain name for the right money. So check the link in the description. You can book a session and let me know